Welcome student to the next video. In this lecture we are going to study about Breton cycle, what is the component, how it's work, and how to plot PV and TS diagram very deeply. Okay, so generally Breton cycle is ideal cycle. It is also called as Joule cycle. So I will write here Joule cycle or constant pressure cycle. So there are two words for it, Joule cycle or constant pressure cycle. So this is the diagram for closed gas turbine. In previous video I had already explained the working of gas turbine power plant, that too closed. So we'll start with point 1. So as you all know, point 1 has a very low pressure and low temperature, right? So when this low pressure, low temperature goes inside compressor, the compressor will compress, right? So as it compress, pressure will what? Pressure will increase, correct? Temperature will increase, but what will happen to its volume? So as we are compressing the air, the volume will decrease, right? Means for example, you consider a cylinder engine. When the piston will move from BDC to TDC, volume will go on what? Decreasing, but pressure or temperature क्या होगा? Increase होगा. So generally this process is your compression process and it is your reversible adiabatic. So I will write here this name as reversible adiabatic compression process. Okay, so reversible adiabatic का meaning क्या है? That I will not supply the heat to the surrounding. Okay, I will not gain the heat from the surrounding or supply the heat. So you might be thinking, sir, ये कैसे possible होगा? Yes, it can be possible. I can insulate it. I can insulate the compressor, right? So due to which the heat will not go outside. So as heat is not going outside or heat is not coming inside, so the reversible adiabatic compression process, here entropy remains what? Constant. Okay, entropy क्या रहेगा? Entropy constant रहेगा. So I will write here entropy as constant. If my system will give heat or take heat, तभी entropy क्या होगा? Change होगा. But in compressor it is not doing that thing, right? So point 1 सबसे पहले plot करते. So plot here anywhere. So देखिए स्टूडेंट, प्रेशर क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज, बट वॉल्यूम इज डिक्रीजिंग. प्रेशर इंक्रीज हो रहा है एंड वॉल्यूम इज डिक्रीजिंग, राइट? सो डिक्रीजिंग मीन्स दिस साइड एंड प्रेशर इज इंक्रीजिंग. So I will draw a smooth curve here. So this would be your point 2, correct? So it will indicate what? This will indicate here as V1 and here V2, sorry, P2. Extremely sorry students, इधर नीचे क्या रहेगा? V2, correct? Okay, so this process 1 to 2 is which process? Reversible adiabatic process. So reversible adiabatic process means I can write it as what? PV raised to gamma equal to what? Constant, right? Okay, so similarly अभी temperature का point consider करो. So point 1 will be here, right? So I will write here as point 1, but your entropy will remain what? Constant. So I will draw a straight line as my temperature is also increasing, right? So this is my point what? 2. Okay, so here entropy will remain constant, that is S1 equals to S2, while temperature will increase from T1 to T2. समझ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स आपको? So here is your constant pressure line, correct? So point 2 I will write here. प्रेशर, टेम्परेचर, वॉल्यूम क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होगा. Okay, so let's move further. So after compressing, it will go to what is your combustor. In combustor, the fuel will get added, natural gas I will use it, and heat will also get added here, right? But I had already explained you the diameter from compressor till combustor, from combustor till turbine will remain what, will remain same. So this is your which process, constant pressure process, and heat is been added, right? So I will write here what, which process, heat addition. In heat addition process, pressure will remain what, constant, right? Pressure क्या रहेगा, constant रहेगा, but temperature will what, increase, correct? Volume भी क्या होगा, increase होगा. PVT, what would be S? Now if I am adding the heat inside the system, your entropy will also what, it will also increase. So this is main point, students. So this is your point what, 3. ओके, समझ रहे आपको, प्रेशर कांस्टेंट रहेगा, टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा, वॉल्यूम भी इंक्रीज होगा, बट व्हाई एंट्रोपी आल्सो इंक्रीजेस, बिकॉज आई एम एडिंग द हीट इनसाइड द सिस्टम. ओके, सो कांस्टेंट प्रेशर लाइन वुड बी लाइक दिस, और वॉल्यूम भी क्या होगा, इंक्रीज. सो दिस वुड बी और विच पॉइंट, 3 पॉइंट. समझ रहे स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वुड बी 3 पॉइंट. ओके, सिमिलरली हियर. Now 2 to 3 process is occurring at constant pressure ना. So यहाँ से आप constant pressure line निकाल सकते हो. So I will write here constant pressure. ठीक है. So temperature increase हो रहा है और entropy भी क्या हो रहा है, increase हो रहा है. So pressure and temperature and entropy also increases. So this would be which point? Point 3. Correct. So here heat is been added, so it is heat addition process. So I will write here name as what, heat addition, right? Your heat is been added. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. So this constant pressure and high temperature, high volume will enter into turbine. अगेन टर्बाइन क्या करेगा, टर्बाइन एक्सपांड करेगा. सो इट इज अगेन विच प्रोसेस, रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक. सो आई विल राइट हियर रिवर्सिबल एडियाबैटिक, बट इट इज नॉट compression, it is expansion. So here also entropy will remain constant, means here also I will not give heat or I will not take the heat from the system, तभी एंट्रोपी क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट रहेगा. सो चलिए फोर्थ पॉइंट बताइए क्या होगा. प्रेशर विल डिक्रीज, टेम्परेचर भी डिक्रीज, बट एंट्रोपी क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट, राइट. ओके, नाउ इट इज एक्सपांडिंग. एक्सपांडिंग मीन्स व्हाट, वॉल्यूम विल इंक्रीज. सो हियर योर वॉल्यूम विल इंक्रीज. सो देखिए, P डिक्रीजेस, टेम्परेचर डिक्रीजेस, वॉल्यूम इंक्रीजेस और एंट्रोपी रिमेन कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो नाउ वॉल्यूम क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बट प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो रहा है. So this is which point? Fourth point, right? 3 to 4 students. So here again volume increases from V3 to V4, while the pressure P2 would be equal to which pressure? P3 pressure रहेगा, right? Okay, great. So here your entropy will remain constant, but I will draw upwards or downwards. Temperature देखो क्या हो रहा है, temperature decrease हो रहा है. So I will draw this as downward line. Okay, so this is what, 4, correct. So again it is reversible adiabatic expansion process. So this is again PV raised to gamma equals to C. Right, students? Okay, chaliye. So again, reversible adiabatic means it will again come into its original position. So as this low pressure, low temperature comes into heat exchanger, heat will exchange from exhaust gas and it will gain to the cooled water. So this cooled water gets converted into heated water, right? Okay. So here your volume, I am giving heat no to the cooled water. So volume क्या हो रहा है? Volume decrease हो रहा है, right? While again here most important, my pressure will again remain what? Constant. So pressure will remain constant, but I will go right side or left side? Left side. Why? Because volume is decreasing. So 4 to 1. समझ रहा dear students? Means here your P4 or P1, it would be equal to what? P4. Correct? Okay. Again here, as I am rejecting, कंबस्टर में मैं क्या कर रहा था? हीट एक्सेप्ट कर रहा था, इसलिए एंट्रोपी क्या हुआ? इंक्रीज हुआ. बट अभी एंट्रोपी क्या होगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स? डिक्रीज होगा, राइट? सो इट विल अगेन टेक प्लेस वेयर? एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर लाइन. सो ये 4 थोड़ा पीछे हो गया. सो आई विल ड्रॉ इट प्रॉपरली. So again here P equals to what? C, right? Entropy क्या हो रहा है? Decrease हो रहा. Okay, so this is a 0.1. So 4 to 1. This is which process? Heat rejection, right? So I will write here as heat rejection process, while pressure remains what? Constant. So the Breton cycle or Joule cycle will have total 4 processes. First, reversible adiabatic compression. Second, heat additions. Third, reversible adiabatic expansion. And fourth is heat rejection. So this is your system, dear students. Okay. And one more thing here remaining is आपका S3 और S4 क्या रहेगा? Constant रहेगा. So if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you dear students.